Hello everybody, it's Terry. I'm going to try to explain how to do the thumb holes real quick on the arm warmers or the sleeves. So what I have here, sorry I'll move it, I have a couple of velvet pieces and I'm going to show you what the right side and the left side, and so these are going to represent the last two strips on the hand, okay? So the one that goes here and the one that goes underneath. You get what I'm saying. What I like to do is I take my very end piece that goes over the fingers and I hem them. Oops, I don't have the right pedal. Hold on. So I feed those through. Now this is where it can get a little tricky. So when I sew, I do these the exact same way every single time. I take my first strip and I sew in about as far, I don't measure anymore because they always come out fine, but I sew, you know, about 3 or 4 inches in with the right side up. The next strip, I flip so that the wrong side's up. Got it? Right side up, wrong side up. Again, about 3 inches in, 4 inches in. Now, when you sandwich these, okay, so this is the one with the, this would go on your right hand, okay? So this is the right side, this is the wrong side of the fabric. Put your pieces together, wrong sides together. There's your sewn seam, okay? Now watch. Sewing, and once you get to where your sewn seam is, go in a little bit. All right, you want to make sure that that seam gets all the way back pretty much to where the needles are. So I'm going to take this and pull it gently to the side. See about how far I'm doing it? That's all you need. Sometimes you can lift your foot and just make it a little neater, but that's all the angle you need. And just sew straight down the top one. And there you have it. Okay? So for the other side, we're going to sandwich these together again. But what you have to do is you have to sew it with the red on the bottom, or the end piece, the end strip on the bottom. So there's our sewn seam. Sew down until it's in there good. All right, and then gently, and again, you can lift your presser foot and put it back down if you need to. About that much of an angle. And just sew right off the edge. Okay, so now, let me move this a little. So now we have these two pieces that are mirror images of each other. So when I go to sew them, sorry, this is a little close up, sorry guys. So when I go to sew them, imagine this is like 4 more strips. You fold them, and whichever side your opening is on is going to be you're gonna do it so you're gonna start from the, okay, do you see what I'm doing here? You have to lay it out like this. My words aren't working, I'm sorry. I make sure that this seam is down, this seam is up, and then just fold that right on top. So it looks like that. Okay, there's your thumb hole. This isn't going to be perfect, but I'm just doing it to show you. And just make sure that that stays. And sew right at the end. I can't get my big hand in there, but that's your little thumb hole right there. Okay. And for the other side, you're going to start at the opposite end. So stack them, put them together, and just run it through. It takes a little practice to make sure that, you know, try to line them up the best you can. Do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? And that's your other side. So that's how you do a right and a left. All right, I hope that's helpful. See you later.